Hello beautiful viewers and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove Google Authenticator code from your Bybit account. Okay, so if you've linked your Google Authenticator to Bybit, or you linked any to Bybit and you intend to remove it, whether or not you have your phone with you, you can still unlink this. And this video is specifically going to be about those who are not able to get the Google Authenticator code from their former device to this. Okay, I'm going to show you a way to unlink this without Google Authentication code. All right, so if you want to unlink or remove this right now, you just have to come over to this profile section at the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, come over to security right here. Once you click on security, you're going to arrive at this page, right? Just scroll down and click on this very section that says Google two-factor authentication. So once you click on it, this is going to say if you unbind your Google authentication for account security, please be aware that after linking Google two-factor authentication, on-chain withdrawals, internal transfers, fiat withdrawals, Bybit card transaction, P2P trading, and advertising will be suspended for 24 hours. So if you do this right now, you won't be able to do any form of transaction for the next 24 hours. Okay, you would only be able to do anything 24 hours from the time you did it. So just go ahead and click on confirm right here right now. Okay, so I'm going to click on confirm right now, and this has been unlinked. So for you to remove the Google Authenticator code, all you just have to do is to enter your login password right here and enter a Google Authenticator code. Now you're supposed to get this from your previous phone, right? And once you enter your login password and Google Authenticator code and click on confirm, of course this should work easily for you. But what if you don't have that phone available, or your phone is not readily available? What do? You come over here and click on having problems with verification, right? And this is going to bring you to this very page. So it says Google Authenticator is not working, I would like to reset it, right? And the second option is email authentication via your email isn't working, I would like to change my email address. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and say Google Authenticator isn't working. This is the option you're meant to select. So I'm just going to click this and click on confirm, and this is going to send an email to your email, right? So we're just going to head over to our email right now, and this is the email at the top right here already here. I'm just going to open up this very email, and this is the code right here. So we're going to copy this very code, come back and paste the code. The code is already there. You can see the code just automatically got in, right? Immediately you copy the code, you don't have to paste it. It's going to automatically fill this. We call it autofill. So the next thing you're meant to do is to enter your Bybit password, right? So this is what I'm going to enter right now. So after entering your Bybit password, you go ahead and click on confirm right here. Okay, confirm or login, still the same thing, right? So once you do that, you're just going to drag this very box right here, this glider, slide this to this very point, make sure it's well set, and just release that, and you can see verification success, and we would be logged back into our account. So this is how you remove the Google Authenticator code on Bybit. Now if I head back to the profile section and head back to security, you see that the two-factor authentication has been disabled. So if for any reason you try to use the former Google Authenticator code right here, it's not going to work. So in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to add Google Authenticator code to Bybit. Okay, and when I do, I'm going to attach that very video to the description of this very video. Okay, so if you need that very video, check the description of this very video, you're going to see that. Or if you don't see that right now, you can always come back later or go to Google and find that very information online, but I'm definitely going to be creating that very video. So this is basically what you need to know about removing Google Authenticator code from your Bybit account. It's really simple, right? This is just it's not rocket science. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share and comment. Just drop a beautiful comment, and I really appreciate you for doing that. If you want to stay updated so you don't miss out on updates like this, then make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all, so that you don't miss out whenever I drop important videos like this. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.